So welcome to our accommodations for the next 24 hours. We got a special offer to upgrade our room and we took it because the price was a steal. So let me show you around. As you can see, we've got a very generously sized living area, complete with a TV. We've got a dining table here in case you've met some friends in the city and want to invite them over. And then you also have a full-size kitchen. So if you're here for a longer stay, you've got some bar stools, a fridge and a freezer, microwave, sink, and even a 2-burner cooktop. Moving back this way, you've got a nice little decorative divider between your bedroom space and the view that I'm going to show you at the end. So you've got a king-size bed here. You've got a chase lounge over in the corner in case you want to do some reading. And then, of course, another television. And then around the corner, welcome to luxury. Oh, look at this bathroom. So you've got your backlit mirror, your close-up mirror for makeup, a lovely bowl sink. We've got a massive walk-in shower complete with spray and a rain head. There's a bench back there. I mean, we could have a full-on party in here. Of course, we get complimentary robes and slippers to wear while we're here. And then moving around, you've got a lovely vanity space where you can unpack some stuff, a water closet, and then of course, no space is complete without your wardrobe. And there's 2 spaces. Now let's go back into the living area and look at this view. All right, brace yourselves. Welcome to Panama. We've got a 180-degree view of the skyscrapers, and look at that ocean. So that sums up our room tour here at the Waldorf Astoria. If you have any other questions about our stay or the other amenities we had, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, especially if you like the content that we're bringing and you want us to do more exciting room tours like this. And hit that bell notification so you're notified every time we put out new content. Ciao, ciao.